Hi, Dr. D.
Hi, guys.
Is that the terrarium that you mentioned on the phone?
Yes, it is. A terrarium is a clear container filled with small plants. Sometimes it's open to the atmosphere, but mine is going to be tightly closed. It's really tricky to maintain all the basic needs of plants after I close it up.
We learned about the needs of humans and animals. They include water, shelter, food, and air.
What are the basic needs of plants?
I'm sure they need water, and they need food.
That's right. The most basic food of plants is the carbon dioxide in the air.
And plants also need sunlight.
You bet. If my terrarium is going to be successful, it must meet all these needs. Hey, I understand you need some help in designing a model for a habitat for Mars.
We're having a little trouble getting started.
Well, the best place to get started is to understand your problem by gathering information.
You mean like the scientific method?
That's right. So what do you know about the atmosphere of Mars?
We know that it's mostly made up of carbon dioxide and hardly any oxygen.
That's right. And not only that, but the Martian atmosphere is much less dense than the Earth's atmosphere. So in addition, not having any oxygen to breathe, there's yet another difficulty.
What do you mean?
Let me show you with this vacuum pump. Here, touch this water. What does it feel like?
It's warm, but it's not very hot.
I'm going to put this water underneath the bell jar. And the vacuum pump's going to pull most of the air out of the bell jar. Let's see what happens.
Wow, the water's starting to boil. Does that mean it's hot?
Let's find out.
It's even cooler than before.
That's right. The water didn't boil because it was hotter. It turns out when the atmosphere is less dense, water will just boil at a much lower temperature. On Mars, you can have ice or water vapor, but any liquid water will simply boil away or freeze.
I guess our habitat had better have a denser atmosphere than Mars. Thanks, Dr. D. Oh, and by the way, I'm concerned about why the fish are missing from my favorite fishing spot.
Maybe you should have the water tested. I also want to contact Ranger Cortez at Sandy Bottom Park. He'd be able to help you.
Thanks, Dr. D. Bye.
Bye-bye.